Hello everyone, and welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. Today we are diving deep into securing your data in Google BigQuery using two powerful features, Authorized Views and row-level security. In this video, we will first understand the challenge of securing sensitive data. Then we will explore how to use Authorized Views to hide columns and implement row-level security to filter rows. We will cover practical SQL examples for each step. Let's start with a common scenario. We have an employees table containing public information like name and department, but also highly sensitive data like salary and personal email. Giving analysts direct query access to this table is a huge security risk. BigQuery provides a suite of tools for fine-grained access control. We will focus on authorized views for controlling column access and row-level security for filtering rows. We will also briefly touch on column-level security, which uses policy tags. First up, an authorized view. Think of it as a security guard. A user queries the view, not the original table. The view itself is given special permission to access the base table, and it only returns the specific columns and rows defined in its query. Step 1 is to write a standard create view statement. Here we are creating a view called Employee Public Info. Notice how the select statement explicitly picks only the safe columns and completely omits salary and personal email. Step 2 is the magic part. You go to the sharing settings of the original sensitive dataset. There you select Authorized Views and add the view we just created. This action forges the special link allowing the view to read the source data on behalf of the user. Now let's switch gears to row-level security. What if we want to show rows only if they are relevant to the user? For example, a manager should only see the records of their direct reports. Row-level security makes this possible by dynamically filtering rows at query time. We create this filter using the Create Row Access Policy statement. We give the policy a name, specify the table, and define who the policy applies to. The key is the filter using clause, where we match a column in the table against the session_user function, which returns the email of the person running the query. So what happens under the hood? When a manager from the sales managers group runs a simple select star query, BigQuery sees the row access policy is active. It automatically and transparently appends a where clause to their query, filtering the results before they are ever returned. While authorized views are great for hiding columns, another more direct method is column-level security. This involves creating policy tags in data catalog like highly confidential and applying them to columns. You can then use IAM to control which roles or groups can access columns with a specific tag. To summarize, use authorized views when you want to share a specific slice or a simplified version of your data. Use row-level security when you need to show different rows to different users from the same table. And use column-level security for large-scale tag-based governance across your data warehouse. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into BigQuery authorized views and row-level security. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more data engineering tutorials.